it's that time of the year again. I always get one summer cold, and this is it. I'm in California on vacation and took a long flight out, and sure enough, a couple people on the plane had a cold, and well, here I am. I don't know what it is, but whenever I get on a long flight, I tend to get it. I find myself either sitting next to somebody with a cold, or I do that kind of deal with all the lousy air on the plane, and a couple days after, need a little. Here I am with a cold. Anyway, I was fine leading up to it, and maybe a little allergy attack like I normally get in the summer, which I think kind of leads me to feel lousier. Leaves me a little bit susceptible in my nose, in my nose, and here I am with a nice good old-fashioned cold in the horn. I just feel terrible. Coughing. And I feel this constant tickle in my nose. I'm in that third or fourth day where I'm all stuffed up and I can't really get the sneezes out as easily. So my nose isn't clearly running as well. Oh, hurt my throat. Oh, God. That was a wet one. Oh, God. Trying to get a little sun. Had to bring a box of cleaner. Yeah, they. Feel it. His knee going on. Kind of yellow in there. They were a good side. Anyway, I get to bed. See if I can fight this thing off. Yuck.